using YouTube in conjunction with affiliate marketing to get you to making more money. Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to the channel. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the channel, we come to you every single week with information, tips, and even online based opportunities to help you create additional income and ultimately achieve your financial dreams and goals. So if you like making money and even making lots of it, and definitely passively, then you definitely want to make sure that you hit the red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we drop new content. And if you like the video, please do at any time hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you like it. But in terms of today's video, we're talking about 5 key strategies that help you start crushing it on YouTube, right? Help you start using YouTube in conjunction with affiliate marketing to get you to making more money. All right. Now, the reason why I wanted to share these 5 key strategies is because I realized that YouTube, the YouTube platform, is kind of like sports, right? And in the sense that, you know, what I see is that a lot of people are forgetting the fundamentals that lead to success, right? And if you forget them in sports, you forget them on YouTube, you're not ultimately going to achieve the results that you're ultimately looking to achieve, right? And especially what we like to talk about here on this channel, again, is creating multiple sources of income, creating more revenue, and just generating more money to help us achieve our financial dreams and goals. So, you know, we want to make sure that when it comes to your affiliate offers and utilizing the YouTube platform to share those offers with people, right, that you don't forget the fundamentals, right? The key strategies, 5 key strategies. Now, the first one is going to be about, number one, you want to study your target audience, and you want to think about the entire journey that this person is going to go through, right? You know, and think about the problems that these people are having and the solutions that you're going to have to offer. Think when it comes to studying your target audience, when I say think about the entire journey, right? What is leading them to the internet? And once they get there to the internet, searching for answers, for solutions to the problems that they're having, right? Because that's what we're doing, is we're helping provide services and products as affiliate marketers to help solve people's problems. You know, what are the terms that they're looking for? What is going on in their mind that leads them to the internet and searching for the things they're searching for? So these are the things, once you can kind of tap into the psyche of your target audience, a potential customer, you can then know how you're going to navigate your way in terms of connecting and building rapport with them, you know, through YouTube, through your YouTube channel, your content that makes them and compels them to want to look further into your offers and click on your offers. Okay. So that's the first one. That brings me to the second one. And I would say no matter how much money an offer pays out, right? Your percentage as an affiliate of a product, right? Or a service, it does not matter. Stay away from bad products and services. All right. Make sure that you do your homework, do your due diligence in terms of researching a product, you know, maybe where it's come from, its backstory, why was it created, what is the purpose of this product or this service, right? The makers, the creators of it, right? You want to review, look up reviews. Is this something that people are already consuming? Is there a demand for this product, right? And people are already looking for it and consuming it. If people are, if it's something for consumption, what are they saying? How's it making them feel? What are the results they're getting? If it's a service, right? How is it benefiting those people who are utilizing this service already? All right. So you want to look in and read reviews, not only look into what the people who are the makers and the creators of their products and services, what they're saying, but the people who are actually using them already. And if people aren't using, if you're not finding many reviews, that might be a red flag. You want to see and do further market research to see if this is something new to the market, right? It does. If it's new, it doesn't necessarily mean it's not going to be something big, or you're not going to benefit from it. But you want to make sure that you're going into this thing strong and that you're not wasting a lot of your time. And then also that, you know, the people that your target audience, you know, if there's even an audience for this product or service, that they're able to benefit from it as well. And they're not just, you know, out there spending money and not being able to have their problems resolved. So Number 3 is going to be for you to make sure that you're verbally communicating and letting people know about your affiliate links within the description of your videos. Okay. It doesn't matter if you're somebody personally on camera creating content. You know, you're seeing your face like you're seeing mine right now. It doesn't matter. You can have a animated video. You can have somebody else create the content for you. You be the person behind, you know, in front of the camera for you. It does not matter. Just make sure in some way or another you're letting them know that there are links to the products and services in the description. All right, because if you don't, basically, you know, they watch your video and they say, hey, that sounds like a cool product. Okay, so what do I do? You know, and then generally people are going to go and do a Google search for the product and find it, I don't know, on Amazon or whatever website they're going to find it on. Hey, they might even find a different video, somebody who does put or let them know, you know, to take action by clicking in the link below and that person getting a commission for that product or service instead of you. So make sure you're making people aware that they can click on a link in your descriptions to be able to purchase the products and services that you have to offer. All right, so that's called call to action. Make sure you let people know about that. And so that brings us to number 4, which is to let people know why they should buy from you. What is the benefit from buying to you? Perhaps they see like a other reviews, right, about a product or service that you have just reviewed, right? What is the difference, you know, if there's even a difference, you know, from buying from another person versus buying from you? What is there to benefit, right? Can you create an urgency for them to be able to buy from you instead of going back to maybe another video or something or another blog where they've seen or read about a review of the same product or service that you have to offer? So that's where, you know, really understanding your target audience. What are their problems? How can you solve their problems? You have to be able to connect and create some kind of relatability. That's always going to help, right? Or do they know you? Do they like you? Do they trust you, right? And over time, as maybe you build your channel up, right? You know, you get people to continuously come back to you for the content that you continuously are putting out there, right? That is going to help you in helping them understand why it would probably be more beneficial for them to buy from you. And that brings us to number 5, guys, which is always strive to be a person of integrity, right? I believe integrity means being whole and complete and always believing in the workability of a thing, right? And that is in this situation, right? You building your YouTube for the purpose of becoming and creating a business with affiliate marketing, right? And, you know, you're offering products and services to people. You have to believe that these products and services are going to help these people with their problems, right? You're the solution. These products and services and coming from you is the solution to what they got going on, right? You want to build the right reputation with people, right? Because we all know people when we're conversing with people or we're seeing something through a video, we're seeing something through an ad, as to, you know, is this really about me and my problems, or is this person just trying to sell me on something to make some money? All right, you don't want to build that kind of reputation, especially if you're somebody out there, you're building your channel for the purpose of creating a full-time income or full-time business with affiliate marketing. Guys, you want to make sure that people not only impacted by you to purchase from you the first time, but they'll keep on coming back to you. All right, and then they're willing to even share your channel and your business, your products and services that you're offering with other people through you. All right, so strive to be a person of integrity. Strive to make a difference in the lives of people by helping them resolve their issues, their problems. And I promise you, you will crush it on YouTube and build that affiliate marketing business to some massive heights and massive money there is for you to gain. All right, so that is it. That is our 5 key strategies for making money with YouTube and affiliate marketing, guys. And if you have liked this video, let us know. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Let us know you like the video. And if you have not done so already, hit that red subscribe button below, like I said before, and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we drop new content, especially if you like making money, especially if you like helping others as well and making money while you do it. All right, so with that said, this is Brian, Revenue Pro Tips. Peace.